welcome to Glam with Gabby. Gabby here. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys my go-to makeup look if I'm in a hurry but still want to look super cute. Let's go ahead and dive right in. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And y'all, please do not mind my skin. I've contemplated videoing all week because my skin, I don't know what happened, but it is seriously just wanted to freak out on me. Seriously, my skin is so upsetting right now because right before I broke out, my skin was looking A1 day one, except for I had this little one that refuses to go away, which one is better than like all of these. Like my chin is always like, it's when I'm about to start my monthly, like it gets bad. So yeah, that's what we're dealing with right now. So yeah, not fun. All right, now that we got our primer massaged in, I'm going to take my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. I'm going to now use my pre-mixed foundation. I use the shades Porcelain and Ivory from Maybelline's Fit Me. I mix them because that's just what works for me. And dab, 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 especially over these nasty ass pimples. Like my whole face just decided to break out. I'm just straight up not having a good time. All right, now we gonna beat our face. Just gonna grab a little bit more foundation. And if you guys hear creaking and stuff, it's just my fiance walking around. Lord help him, he's got them big clawed hoppers, he can't be quiet. I was wondering if you heard me. Alright, so once we got our foundation blended with our beauty blender, now it is eyebrow time. So I just do my eyebrows like I've showed you guys in previous videos, just really quick. So I'm going to go ahead and get these eyebrows put on and we'll be right back. Now I'm just going to take my little concealer and dot up here. And blend, blend, blend around them eyebrows. Y'all, I'm wilding out today. Don't pay no mind. Now I'm going to take this and... So now I'm just going to go in with just a tad bit of Shape Tape. And then blend it in with my Real Techniques. Alright, now I am going to go in with my Morphe Bronzer. It's bronzer plus contour. Do a little bit of snatch cheeks. So, just going to take this just a little bit. Just really quickly. See? It just takes a few seconds to get them cheeks snatched. Now I'm going to go up here to my forehead. And just do quick little swoosh. Little swooshy swoosh. Y'all know, don't forget that double chin. So, now that we got that little bit of contour on. So now I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and just smooth out the concealer I've already put on there. And now I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier powder. Take this little flat brush. Just get it and put it underneath the eyes. Y'all, it gets everywhere, but it comes off. Alright, so I'm just going to dip into my Hit the Lights palette. I'm going to just be using my type right here. Legit, just blend that in some. Just to give you a little color up here. And this is my, I got time to do my makeup, but I don't want to do my makeup. So once you got that color blended, I go in with my Face Secrets Duo eyeshadow brush. Oh, and I'm going in with my Oh for a Star Island, of course. And then I bring it up onto my lid just a little bit. Just like that. And then of course you want to do your brow. Highlight that brow, girl. Oh, she cute. And then take it and again, just bring it up onto your lid. Simple, simple, simple. I'm just gonna go in with a little flat brush, wipe away that little bacon. Let's see here. And now I am gonna throw on some blush. I'm gonna use Dome in the shade English Rose. Got my little angled brush here for that curvature of them cheeks, girl. And dab it in. Okay. And then to do a little bit of veiling and blending, just go back in with this one. Boom. Alright, now I'm going to take this little tiny, I'm going to take this angled brush and dip back into my type in my Morphe palette and do underneath my eye. There we go. I'm going to grab Bad Gal Bang by Benefit and then my Unique Moonstruck Epic Mascara. Both of those. Those two. And I'm going to go in with Bang first and lightly coat the lashes really quick. And then, that barely did anything, y'all, but it did something. And I'm going to go in with my Moonstruck. Y'all, this mascara, look at the difference. You can use this by itself. I just prefer to use it with Benefit because it does get a tad bit clumpy to me. So I'll just go back in and kind of separate the lashes. And don't forget your bottom lashes. I'm just going to go in with Moonstruck on my bottom lashes. Alright, so I'm going to go on and do the other eye. Now I'm just going to go in with some Double Up Ardell lashes. These are so cute. I love these. I don't even have to trim these down. They're ready to just peel off and slap some glue on them and stick them to your lid. I just put a very thin layer of glue and I usually have my little pointy tweezers and go in right onto the lash line. And I just squeeze my lashes together with the fake ones to get them all the way stuck to the lash line. Honestly, the #1 ruiner of all things eye makeup is watery eyes. And that's what I have. And we are learning together along the way. Alright, so I'm going to jump over and put this eyelash on. And you do want the lash to be tacky whenever you go to apply it. Alright, let's do this. Have these ready on deck. Y'all, these lashes are wanting to be my worst enemy today. Do you see that? What it's doing? I'm okay. Oh, she a boss. She a boss. She a boss. Just on one side though, because this side still don't want to stick. But she a boss. You see that sticking right there? Oh yeah. Fix it for mama. Alright, so now I'm just going to take my Urban Decay Perversion mascara. I just grabbed the mascara for this one. Just grab one. And just kind of coat the real and the fake lashes. Just kind of bind them together. Just bind those lashes, girl. Bind those lashes. Alright, y'all. Now we're going to move on to lips. I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and wipe any excess foundation or whatever off my lips. I got some new things. I'm so excited. This is what I got from Target. So it's called Winky Lux Lip Veiler. It's a demi matte lipstick in the shade Pippi. The packaging is seriously so cute. It is screaming spring and summer, and I'm here for it, y'all. This is seriously so adorable. Like, and it has a little lipstick on the side. It is very small for what I paid for. It was $18. And I've never even heard of the brand, I don't believe. So let's open it up. It's super cute though. Winky Lux. I also got a Winky Lux Glossy Boss lip gloss. So this is so cute. It's called Truffle Gloss. So I'm gonna try both on for you guys and see how we like it. So it's super cute. I want to see if they have a scent. Oh, that's thick. Oh my gosh, this seriously smells so good. It smells like chocolate. Yeah, they both have the same scent. So I'm actually like, this is just a lip gloss, but this is a matte. So I want to see how the matte does. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. So I really like the color, and the texture is phenomenal. I mean, it's very velvety, so I really like the lipstick so far. And again, I cannot get over the packaging, and it's seriously so cute. I am gonna put the gloss over the lipstick just to kind of see what it does. So let's try and get glossy. Oh, I really love this color. Ooh, she glossy. Saved one of my favorite parts for last, and that's highlighter. So we're just gonna go and highlight those cheekbones, do just that little C shape. Ooh, highlight it to the gods. All right, do this side. Just gonna do the end of my nose. Now the final step would just be my setting spray. I'm gonna take my Urban Decay All Nighter and just do a few squirts of it. So shake it well. This is just a simple, quick look. This is just if I still want to be glam. My honey loves to come home and surprise me. So if he comes home and says, babe, get ready, we're going to go out to dinner. He likes to let me know everything last minute. So this is just a quick glam that I would do if I was in a hurry and still wanted to be glam. Bam. So here is the finished look. Oh, you see the highlight? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Like, subscribe. Hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.